Hi friends, here's something fun to try. Do your best, and if you can't do it, that is okay. You're going to practice writing your name up here. Then there's the word I love you. So you can try writing it down here. Make it a copy so you can write I love you. And then you can look for the letters in these words that are scrambled. So you're going to look for your I. Here's your I. And an L. Where is your letter L? Here it is. O. Here's an O. V. V. E. And you're going to find Y. O. U. And you can write in the boxes, you can circle them, you can color them, you can do whatever you want. Here's the I love you. Then there's a few others. There's Valentine. Find the letters. And heart. Have fun. Bye, friends.